Baby, I won't up and leave you straight. I got your back forever.
What's up, guys? So today I'm doing my first prank on Jemiah. I went and got some draws. So last night I went out with the guy, so she probably think I'm for real though. I don't know how she gonna take it, how she gonna act, but I believe she gonna act crazy, and I don't know though, we'll see. But yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification bell. Get up to 300 subscribers. Yeah, but she finna come. We know how to come out the house now, but when she come at like, I'm just talking about the next couple channels that we finna do. Yeah, but we got a couple more channels we're gonna do later on today. Y'all just comment some videos y'all want us to do and stuff like that, y'all. But y'all finna get her with these though. I don't know what I wanna put them to. Probably put them in the armrest or in the back seat. Yeah, but when she comes, just gonna act like I'm talking about something else and talk like what channel we're gonna be doing and stuff like that. I don't know how she gonna react to that though. She gonna get me out there though. I know she is. But yeah, she'll be coming in a minute. Yeah, but yeah, man. But yeah, we got a lot of more stuff we got in mind that we're gonna do. A couple more challenge and vlog. Yeah, we got a prank coming soon that we're doing on my mama and stepdaddy. It's gonna be epic. I'm finna order y'all just gonna see what it is. I'm finna order some that fake paint though. And I'm gonna get yeah, but it's gonna be a major prank. This she go right now pulling up, so yeah, hello. Oh, there she go right now, so yeah. Hello. She cut me out, but we're gonna be doing a couple more challenges and stuff like that. Yeah. What you listen to that? My song. I put you on that.
I wasn't listening.
Man, come on. Yeah. Yeah. I'll tell them about the channel we finna do. Let's do a couple channel. You gonna say hey
What?
talk?
Oh, hey. I'm looking bad.
I know you ain't.
Really?
I can't tell you.
Why wouldn't you tell me?
For it. I'm looking bad too. What we gonna do today? We got a couple channels we need to do.
Yeah.
Chill out, man. You alright?
No, I'm not. I look kind of bad.
Yeah, but what channel we should do today, man? Oh no. Hey, bro. You wanna go get some food? Let's do a wing challenge or something today.
Okay.
We'll probably just do a wing challenge. I don't know, ain't no challenge we might do today though. We're gonna drop a couple videos. We're gonna try to drop about 5 videos a week though, for a weekend. Yeah, but I'll tell them about the channel I'm doing my mama. Study about that paint. I don't get it done. That just gonna be epic. I know I might get snapped on bad. Yeah, but like I said, we ain't did nothing for the weekend for real. I went out last night with the guy. She stayed home.
Cause I'm sick.
Say she's sick.
I am. You can hear it in my voice. I am sick. Babe, why wouldn't you tell me?
Matt, that soda came in with them.
That bottle is more. I mean, that box more fancier than the other one.
It's a bottle.
What the world? Fancy.
The bottle right there.
The bottle is.
What's wrong with you, man? Like, I would the bottle in my mama car. What's wrong with you? What? I'm over Crown Royal. Yeah, but what? Hey! What's wrong with you? Yeah, but we probably do a wing challenge and I'm just ready to do this prank on my mama though. For real.
They don't even play with me.
What? What you got going on? Talk to our fan. Oh. fault. You know, but man, you gotta say it.
Don't play with me.
Wait.
Don't even play with me.
What you doing? That your stuff came out your bag.
I don't wear no extra large.
Man, that your thing came out. You need to have your bag in here. You know, I just went on that prank for real though by my mom and stuff. Damn. That prank gonna be too epic, man.
Where you been?
What you mean where I been? Let me see. They project came with the car. No, I believe they came out your bag.
That ain't funny.
I don't see him. You on yours, man.
Free, don't play with me.
Hey, don't move with that last night. We trying to. Boy, I don't see that.
What you laughing for? Move.
Let me see you. Them yours.
You know I don't wear no extra large. Move. You done not already seen them outfits.
How? I ain't even know back though.
And what is you laughing at?
Chloe, you think? Oh my God. I just went out with the guy last night.
With panties in your car?
I ain't.
Don't play with me.
Come on, see you.
What is you laughing at?
No, cause you think I'm doing something.
But if I hit you in your face, I'm gonna be wrong.
What you trying to hit me for? Chill out, man. Let me see him though.
No, you not already seen
How?
What is so funny?
Okay, but
Don't touch me.
But we
Your
finna go do
nasty ass.
what you cussing on our video for? You get mad about your own pen.
Don't play with me. You know I do not wear no extra large.
Man, nobody no issue, Lord.
And you been gone for like 2 hours
When?
today when I was asleep.
How it been 2 hours? I just got in the car saying I went over KD. Yeah, but just stay tuned to that
I'm done.
prank with my
Okay.
mama and stuff. That prank gonna be too it. Chill out.
What did you
Man, go!
laughing at? But I'm not playing with you.
I don't know how they got there. Yeah, I'm just.
Damn.
Man, chill out, man. I don't know how they got there.
Put him down.
Oh.
You wanna be doing stuff with other females and stuff. But don't worry, I'm finna go find me a new nigga.
Man, chill out, man.
Get off of me.
Man, I don't know. I'm just saying, we just wilding like me and John now.
What you doing with drawers in your car?
I told you, I don't think I did with the boy last night.
And did what?
Man, just drunk. You see, I had a little cry.
Now, let me see if I'm finna call Jay. Ain't nothing funny while you laughing. Don't touch me.
I told you. I for real though, all jokes aside. John was in here and I said my mama car.
No, you wasn't, because your mama car was parked.
Not last night.
Yes, it was.
When I left, you went to sleep. I got my mom car. John got
No,
in
you-
here. And don't tell what my boy John did.
Stop lying.
Aye. For real.
You better be honest with me.
I tell you the truth.
What's so
Man,
funny?
chill out. Stop trying to beat on me. I'm not touching you. Y'all see what I go through?
No, y'all see
Fooling
what I
with my
go
boy,
through.
John.
Y'all see what I go through, cheating and You better not pick him up.
John, why you let these
You
things in
better
my
not-
car, man?
Pick him up.
Boy, I believe John just went dumb.
Some big, nasty drawers in your car.
They nasty.
You better not touch a mama 7 year out with this kid. Don't touch me.
Why?
Because you been cheating and stuff. Josh haven't been in here.
Yeah, John did. I said my mama car. John was in my car. But I don't know though, you know, I was kind of tilted last night. Boy, chill out, man. I'm just telling you.
Play with somebody that love you, not me.
You love me, dog. Give me a kiss.
Don't touch me. Your nasty self. Being out here having sex with other females. You so...
Chill out, boy.
Don't touch me.
What up, though, guy?
But it's okay. I promise you it's okay.
What? Where we going? We going to get some hot wings? Do the channel?
I'm not going nowhere with you. I'm finna
Chill
go.
out, man. Don't open that door. Chill out.
Move, I'm finna go.
No.
Yes.
Why?
Because you been cheating on me.
How? I been cheating.
And you want to dance.
I'm scared, y'all. What I tell y'all for? You gonna cry? Chill out, man. Man, chill out. No. Come
Get
here.
off of me.
Alright, y'all. Man, she mad. Babe, it's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. Alright, y'all, just make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell. Just help us, we on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Y'all, but just stay tuned. We got some more video that finna drop, some more challenge that we finna do later on today. Y'all, but make sure y'all subscribe and share it. Alright, we out.